Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Ruth Chari and welcome to today's video. So I was editing this video and I realized I had not done an intro, so here I am introducing the vlog. Okay, so the first part of this vlog, you'll see me in Eastleigh. We had gone to buy a rug. My sister's friend wanted a rug for her office, so we went to Eastleigh to get a rug. She also wanted some decor pieces, but she didn't find what she was looking for. Yeah, so the mall that you're gonna be seeing in this vlog is Day-to-Day Mall ground floor. That's the place where you can get like cheap rugs and decor pieces in Eastleigh. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna roll the clip so that you guys can see. Okay. And then for the second part of this video, we went to Ekka hotel for dinner with a friend of mine. Yeah, I think that's basically it.
It's Java, man.
What the hell? Ay, nakatu vibaya. Oh my goodness, nakakama.
What's going on?
Nakakama. Nakakama. Unpaid rapper. Broke rapper. Thanks, mate, for the dinner.
You're welcome. You don't want me to...
I don't want you to be in my vlog.
You don't want to see who's cutting the checks?
That's how we do it, man. That's how we do it, man. Yeah? Zadzi. Yeah, and the last day of this vlog, I was traveling with the SGR from Nairobi to Mombasa. So you guys will see me packing. But I had to go to the office the same day and work half day, and then came home and picked my bags. So by the time I was leaving my house, you guys, it was already like 2, and the SGR was for 3 p.m. So I was really late, you guys. I didn't even have the chance to vlog because I wanted to vlog like the whole experience, but I couldn't do that because I was so late. But I got to meet some of you, and I'm so glad I did. Yeah, so I'm gonna roll the clip so that you guys can see me packing. Hey guys, good morning. So today is 24th of December and I'm traveling today, and I think I'm one of those last minute people because I'm packing right now. It's currently 5 a.m. I'm also working today, but I'll leave work at around 12 because I have a 3 p.m. SGR to Mombasa. I don't know why I don't get things done on time, like those one last minute people. It just seemed to be working for me for years. Yeah, so I'm packing very quickly because also there's so much traffic to going to town, because I'm going to town and then I take a mat to Westlands going to work, and if I'm going to leave work by 12 I need to be at work very early. Yeah, so I'm packing with just a few clothes. I'm not carrying a lot because I'm only going for like 5 days, you know. I'm only going for like 5 days, and then in the meantime I'm eating my sausages because these were left in the fridge, and mezima fridge, so I couldn't leave them in the fridge. I'll carry some to work though. Can't finish all of them right now. Yeah, so this is it. I'm not packing a lot of clothes because I'm only going for like I think 6-7 days. I'll check my calendar, but I'm not going for like a lot of days. I think it's only a week. Yeah, so this is it. This is it, you guys. So there's some few things that I need to do in time before I leave. I need to get a box of masks. I need to get a sanitizer, like a big one. What else? I don't know. I'll think about it when I'm at work. Yeah, so see you guys later. I think that's basically it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If it's your first time watching any of my videos, please make sure you subscribe, you turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And it's until next time, guys. Bye. Oh, someone wants to say hi.
Hi, my name is Chanel.
Chanel who?
Amani.